Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with essentials. Confirm the Mavc terminal is powered and on the network, check Mac and serial, and have admin credentials ready. Open the Mavc portal, enter your company ID, then navigate to Device Management. Click Add Device and paste the Mac and serial exactly, case sensitive. Once done, assign the device to a site code and choose the clocking mode you need. Make sure to upload the employee roster CSV now, because the system links devices to users during registration. Once the device appears in Device Management, configure its core settings. Set the time zone and NTP server to keep timestamps accurate. Enable daylight saving rules if applicable. Next, choose authentication methods, PIN, RFID, biometric, and adjust sensitivity or passcode length so false accepts are minimized. Then assign the correct device profile with clocking rules, shifts, and rounding. Finally, push firmware and profile updates. Watch the sync status indicator until it reports success, and verify the terminal displays the company name and time. Finish by validating functionality. Run test punches with 3 users and inspect logs for correct timestamps and employee ID. Export a sample attendance report and have HR confirm entries. Enable audit logging for future disputes and lock admin roles. If anything fails, first reboot the terminal, then confirm PoE power and Ethernet link. If still offline, check firewall rules, ensure outbound TLS on port 443, and verify gateway and DNS. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.